Yes, man. You're the same one. You can't get you either.
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Nishoy, and I'm back with another freaking video. So in today's video, as you can see by the title down below, we'll be showing you what we do during the lockdown. We don't do not much. We just jerk some fold today, and just maybe later we'll do karaoke. Maybe we show you a little clip of me and Nino I sing and Zoe. Just don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell. It keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video, and of course drop a comment in the comment section. Alright, so people, right now Nina go pretty cold and something I light it. Come light the fire. Stop moving. So you move so shit. So anytime hood fire for light, I always be lighting. So Nina go try light it and then me I go show him how to light it properly. You know?
Not this.
This I show it very much. You don't put in the quad? That's what it's for. I when you light it for those two. Flame off light wood fire, you know.
Wait, did this a video right now?
Yup.
Did I hear me? They gonna feel if I hear me?
Yes, wherever here.
No! I'm waiting to shine.
Put it under the bottom. Sorry, put the kit under the bottom.
Nina can't. Oh,
Yes, man. You're the same one. You can't get you
I
either.
like chicken to me can't get
You can't get you either.
What?
Look at it.
okay, try just
Look at it. Look at it.
No, yes, who come? Me want it sitting now. No light yet, but you know it's on the way.
No more you do now. Now you jerk for.
Nina
One that
can't.
you
We
can't
can't,
do.
we can't drink phone. We can't drink phone. No hide and tap. No drink phone.
Sit down, not picnic.
Picnic?
Why out your hat? No, sir. I'm gonna go find this store now.
I never say I go boil the.
Go!
Alright, people. So the cut up pan. So these on this side are already. So these ones still grilling. Not done yet. A jerk, a grill. The one look like it would have still go longer. Let me see if I can keep warm.
I'm just trying to save it for me, however.
Careful, mind that drop. Mind this drop out.
So you don't want to get them black crips or something, yeah? So they need to come out.
You don't want to get one?
Crips,
Why? That would be nice. Alright people, so we're about to have dinner now. And then we're not playing game over this. So you guys can just watch we have dinner. Alright people, so we'll watch a movie right now.
Taco Man.
Alright people, so you see what we do during lockdown is nothing out of the usual. So just, so don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell and share the video people so more people can get to see the video and subscribe. See? Alright guys, I'm out.